Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing garlic pickle. You can keep this for 6 months. It's actually so delicious with the rice and roti. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the process. Take a bunch of garlic, peel the skin, so now I'm going to measure the garlic. We need 200 gram garlic. 200 grams is ready. So take it off and we're gonna measure the tamarind. We need 100 gram tamarind. That's it. So if your garlic is big, so cut it into half if you wish, otherwise it's okay. Soak the tamarind in hot water. Now I'm going to measure red chili powder. We need 70 grams of red chili powder. Now I'm going to measure salt. So I'm taking 60 grams of salt. So now I'm taking 1.5 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. Roast it for a minute and keep it aside. So look at this. Now keep it aside. Now I'm going to take mustard seeds. Take 2.5 tablespoon mustard seeds. Roast it for a minute and keep it aside. So everything is ready, masalas. So now we have to prepare tamarind juice now. Add some water. So now tamarind juice is ready. Now I'm going to blend the masala, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. It's done now, you can see. Powder is ready and keep it aside. So let's start the process. So I'm using sesame oil. Use 1 cup sesame oil. After heat the oil, Add garlic. Slightly roast it. After 2 minutes, roast it only just 2 minutes. Now garlic skin is little bit changed. Now we're gonna add tamarind juice. Mix well. Tamarind juice has to fry completely. It will take little time. Keep it in medium flame. If you don't want to cook garlic too much, you can fry tamarind juice separately. Now oil is separated. Now we're gonna add masala. I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Now adding half tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Now adding red chili powder. Adding masala, fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds powder. Adding salt. Mix slowly. Now turn off the flame. Now I'm adding half a cup oil. Just adding seasoning, tadka. Adding fenugreek seeds. Adding mustard seeds. Add half tablespoon cumin seeds. Let it cool down. Then we're gonna add oil into the chutney. Adding red chili. After cool down, you can add the oil. Mix well, slowly. Now check the taste. If you need salt, I add little salt. After check the taste. Check after 5 days. Look at the chutney. Garlic chutney looks so delicious. Mix it. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon, and please share with your friends and family if you like it. You can keep this garlic pickle in your fridge for 6 months or outside. It's up to you. It's depend on your weather. I'm going to store in glass jar. If you don't have jar, you can use any plastic. You can eat with the roti or rice. Add little ghee in rice and enjoy. I hope you like my video and please share with the friends and family. Till then, bye. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.